The bezel of the Fujitsu PRIMERGY server is split in two parts. Here on top we have the status LEDs. Press here to open the upper bezel. The bezels have a honeycomb structure for very good airflow, having stable bezel at the same time. Here on top we see the three USB ports, status LEDs, power on, power off, and UID switch. Here we have the optical DVD drive and the optional status display with LEDs for each component. You can use the lock to lock both parts of the bezels when installed. To open the bottom bezel, press here. Here we have the first drive cage for 6 hard drives, the first optional drive cage for additional 6 hard drives, and the second optional hard drive cage for 8 additional hard drives. Press the green buttons to take out the disk. The circuit board is here protected by a plastic cover. The rear view of the Fujitsu PRIMERGY server. 7 PCI slots, 2 1 gigabit network ports, IRMC port, 4 USB ports, display port, 2 serial ports, and 2 hot pluggable power supplies. To take out the power supplies, press the green button. On the rear side to see the fan and the connector. Unlock the Fujitsu PRIMERGY server side panel here. Here we see the labels describing the LED switches and internal components. 3 hot pluggable fan unit. To take out the fan unit, press the green button. Each fan unit in itself is redundant. To take out the whole fan duct, use the 2 thumb screws. Then take off the cable for the fans. Here we see one CPU with 9 DIMM sockets, second CPU with 9 DIMM sockets. Each CPU has a huge cooler with heat pipes, 7 PCI slots. When you take out the upper power supply, you can see the USB plug for the internal USB stick for embedded operating systems.